my god. Oh, that is water. And that... Bro, look at this guy. I just bought this fire damaged BMW 335i, and I think I made a mistake. While I was looking for a project, a follower of the channel introduced me to this 2008 BMW E92 335i, and it has one minor problem: fire damage. A few years ago, this car was parked at a parking lot, and then suddenly there was a massive fire that burned down multiple cars. But luckily, firefighters arrived in time to save this car, leaving me with this.
What do you think?
What did I get myself into? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh.
How do you feel?
I just lost money.
Also, another bonus, taking it off the trailer, ripped off the front bumper.
But it was already loose from before.
That's what they all say.
Maybe just build it with a drift car at this point.
Small burn marks. Is that cabron?
Catch can. Okay.
This is definitely
This
nice.
you pull this and there's fireworks. Guys, you filming?
Always.
We even got about... What's the bussing in English? Again,
Blow up pool. Yeah, pool.
We even got a pool. The battery is taking a swim.
Ah!
Look there!
I'm so stupid. I was actually waiting for a pool. Passei.
Look at this. That is water. And that's the battery. What is that? That's a book.
Whoa. Val McDermin.
Bildene visker.
Cut this.
Jørn Lier Horst.
There. Sorry guys, this is the first time we're actually using a camera, so we're not really...
Why is there random parts?
I can do that for Audi.
I hope these are just random parts they had laying around. They're not actually taken off from the car.
Does that matter at this point? Have you seen the car?
What is that? That's some music amplifier.
Ah.
This is gonna be annoying to fix.
Well, you can always take it from your E92 at the moment.
Yeah, you do have the
Same system. So what do you think?
At this point it looks bad. It looks very bad, but it's mostly because, well, the car looks bad. Look inside. If you actually would clean up the complete inside, like actually clean up the seats and the inside, it would at least give a better feeling that the car is at least more alive. Yeah, this is stuck now. Oh. The roof, how are you gonna... It's bad, but it's
I mean, it's just a bit of mold.
just...
The smell is good too. It's like wet socks.
The biggest question I have is, was the window broken after it has been burned? Because I think it has been broken by some people, either before or after the burn. Because you can see there's like no marks of smoke. You can see this is like mostly dirt. Look, it cleans up perfectly.
Whoa!
Look, yeah.
EMS leather cleaner coming soon.
Oh, so this is the heater for the window?
No, I think it broke with the heat.
You think so? The exhaust tips though, think we can clean them out? Up.
Of course! Exhaust is no problem.
I don't know. Is this even more to fix?
What do you mean? I think yes.
Like take the whole engine and put it in the other one?
Maybe let YouTube decide. I think you're at that point now, you can let your viewers decide. That's a man truly lost at the moment. Bit off, a bit more than he can chew, I think. No, no, I didn't say anything.
Episode 2 fireworks.
It says E92.
Oh,
You're reading the...
okay. You can see that the car is in rough shape. So now I need to throw out all the garbage, clean out all this glass, take out the water from the battery well, remove the battery, basically clean up all the trunks. And only then we can actually see what's the state of this, because at this point it looks bad, but I think it's repairable. I pulled in the E61 inside, and I will basically take all the garbage from the car and put it in my car and, well, throw it out. Yeah, all this is just full-on garbage. Now we'll continue cleaning the car, then I will vacuum out the water from the battery compartment and remove the battery, and in the meantime Mario is gonna remove the crash bar, the trunk, drop the exhaust and remove the heat shield so we can remove the plastic trunk floor. Progress. Battery out. Pool is empty. Now I lost a little clip here, but we continue stripping the car down and I'm removing the amplifier that has been melted together with the plastic around it. Then I will remove the other modules, while in the meantime Mario is gonna remove the rear seats together with the interior trim pieces. I'm also stripping and removing all the isolation and the soft sound deadening, because basically everything in the trunk is smoked. So now we'll remove the quarter panel, and in order to do that we have to drill out the spot welds. So I picked up these. These are like some special drill bits for drilling out spot welds. So let's say there is a spot weld here like that. So we just drill it out with this one. And now the plan is to remove the whole quarter panel, and we will remove it together with hold this thing. So we will need to drill out here, 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 under here, disconnected, and then all this thing will come off. But before that we'll probably need to remove the window as well. This one. Yeah, so basically like this, you need to do it all the way here, then probably cut it. I was actually gonna work on removing the window, but it was going way harder than I expected. So then I went over to work on the quarter panel, and as Mario was drilling away the spot welds, I was working on separating the quarter panel from the chassis. Technically, when you're drilling away spot welds, you're supposed to drill only through one layer of metal. But right here it doesn't matter since we're replacing both layers of the metal. And since it's our first time doing this, you can see that we made a few mistakes, but no worries, we're gonna fix that and we're gonna be reinstalling it and welding it together. And if even after drilling the metals are still stuck together, you can use a belt sander to sand away the surface to separate them, which I also had to pick up. So here you can see it's how black everything is. So we definitely need to pull, I think, the whole quarter panel off and cut until here to at least clean up and paint the inner rust and stuff. Now as Mario is removing the support brackets, the whole metal housing where the amplifier sat, I'm removing the right side bumper bracket in order to get better access to remove the whole rear section of the car. And yes, I am cutting away sim seal with a fillet knife. To remove the left side it was actually a lot easier because all the sim seal was already burned away from the fire. Crazy. So one more problem that we actually have right now is that we don't have keys for this car. Not a single key. Yeah, they got lost. The previous owner basically lost them. So now you may be wondering, how do you get the keys? So I am going actually to Lithuania tomorrow. I spoke to the guy there. He's gonna make 2 keys for me. And he don't even need to get access to the car. He only needs the ECU, the engine computer. He also needs the CAS module. By the way, guys, I do have a brand new camera that I bought that I'm using now, and I don't know all the settings, how you're supposed to use it. That's why you can see the content in this video is all over the place. And I was using a microphone here, but it wasn't detected for some reason. So sorry for that. So here's the ECU. You can see everything looks decent here. Bro, look at this guy. That's nuts. Look at this. I just removed this cover and all this just fell down. So that's where, I guess, where the little guy was living. I just hope he didn't eat any of the cables. There is an unpleasant smell in the car, like old water smell, but it's not as bad as I would expect it to be. So now you can see that the comfort access module thing it is. I don't know, it's hard to show, but it's up here. I think I removed it. I think that's the one. Yeah, so now I have these two modules, the ECU and the car access computer. That's all you need to get the keys coded to the car. Now we'll jack the car up and put on jack stands, then we're gonna remove the wheels, the covers, to actually see what, well, other parts we need. So we can actually see that the suspension looks pretty damn good. Of course, now we can see that the wheel well cover is like melted, so we'll need to replace that and these cables here. But not bad. Then that's the ABS sensor. Yes. By the way, what I did forget to tell you, this car is US spec, so it is from USA. It's been imported to Germany, and from Germany in 2016 it has been imported to Norway. It came out. Now all these cables, ABS sensor and the sensor for the height adjustment, goes up and through there. Looks good. Now what I am interested about is these pipes here. What is that? We can see that they are melted off. We can see that, well, it went up there, but I have no idea what that even is. So actually later I found out that the pipes were for the ventilation for the fuel tank, which also is some kind of charcoal filter mechanism, but I'm not quite sure what that is about. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. I did not really have time to film a proper outro, or I did, but the mic was not working properly. Sorry if the whole video is all over the place. I got a brand new camera, I'm still learning how to use it, I'm learning how to use the microphone, and I'm trying to improve the content for you guys. Let me know what you think about the build. Is it too crazy? Am I crazy? Or is it actually something that we can do? I think we can fix it. It's gonna be a big job, but I think we can do it. We actually managed to get a lot done in this video, and you might be thinking, am I crazy? And now all you people from all over the world probably call me crazy that I'm fixing a $10,000 car. It's cheap in America, it's cheap in Europe, but actually in Norway the cheapest 335i costs around 270,000 krones, like $26,000, 26,000 euros. I think what we're doing is actually worth it, and I think the car is gonna come out really nice. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one.